How to find out car insurance policy number. For many younger drivers, their first car will typically not be a top-end sports car. In most cases, it won't even be a new car, it will be second-hand. This isn't a major problem since most new cars are ditched by their initial owners within a few years when the car is still in perfect working condition, simply because they are looking for the latest and greatest. So there's a chance that young drivers will end up with a much older car as their first, which should be cheap to insure and get them from A to B. With insurance rates being so high at the moment for young drivers, they may be tempted to simply not get insured, as it would cost more than the car is worth anyway. This is a huge mistake, and they are taking an even bigger risk. Car insurance is mandatory in this country, and being caught without valid insurance is a criminal offense and would incur a large fine and possibly points on your license or a driving ban. Many young drivers who were arrested for other traffic offenses will also turn out to be uninsured too, which would do them no favors when the boys in blue catch up with them. So third-party fire and theft car insurance can help drag your policy price down to an extent and would save you money in the long run, as your insurance policy will not be covering damage you caused to the vehicle and save you some money on insurance premiums in the future. Many young drivers are choosing this level of insurance as opposed to fully comprehensive for their first vehicle, as it helps to keep the running costs of their first vehicle down, and so they can start saving money for an upgrade when they earn a bit more, and then can possibly cover a newer, more powerful car, which they then would warrant needing fully comprehensive cover.